Hello, happy Saturday night. This is Strange Sights in the Sky. And I have not a strange sight to me, but to anyone else. Is that you, my friend? Can you respond? Can you acknowledge? Yes. How are you? Are you happy? I guess that's a happy. Can you put on a happy face? Okay, you shrunk. All right. It's a blank. It's wild every time. Is that like a Morse code signal to you that we humans use? Watch, I'm gonna tap it again. I say he, it could be a merged sexual, a twin flame in the sky, who knows? See that little bit of reddish orange around it? Are you a portal to another world? Well, I have some photos to think that you are. Well, we got some skateboarding going on here. Okay, it is Saturday night. Smell some herbal essence. What do you think about that one? Okay, no comment. Ooh, you didn't want to touch that. I get it. You can't touch this. That's why you shrunk down. Yeah, you're not into politics, is that correct? Is that correct? Yes. Well, it's good to see you. You are in full bloom tonight, my friend, and you are my friend, is that correct? Can you change when I say this? All right, a little, what? Was that little thing that covered in front of you? I thought that was my finger, but I can't reach up that far. Not tonight. So, anyway, you are spinning with glory. Great spirit in the sky. This is really, so far, one of the best vids in a while. And we're only a few minutes in. Well, are you mirroring my actions? Oh, there's the, what is that? It's like, oh, it's the damn tree. Because there was no wind pushing it. Now there is. It's a beautiful Saturday night. The air quality is great. I just noticed that my lungs are flying. And I had a nice evening out to dinner by myself. And I won't tell you what I ate, it doesn't matter. Even had a beer. Forgive me. Very rare in these days. You are really glowing. You're a small image. You are the brightest for a small image I've ever seen. Oh, that kind of looks cool. Through the tree branches. Now I know the problem. I've zoomed in a little bit more, but there we go. You made yourself very visible to see tonight. See, I thought that's that hidden hand that I thought was. It seems to always respond when I tap this Yeah, the light meter on your iPhone or Android. You tap the middle and light or dark or in between. You know what I mean. I thought it was too cloudy tonight to film you. Glad that you are not only out but really visible. And you are colorful. Seriously, are you a portal where an airplane or even a helicopter or Superman could fly through? The mighty Thor, perhaps? Are you? I don't know. Could that be a no? Now you see that orange, folks, around it? And it's not really, it's like the oval shape of an eye with the pupil inside. See it in the middle? Use your imagination here. And I ruined it by tapping on the screen again. Yeah, this is really cool. I darkened it a little bit here for an extra effect. See? I'll tap. It gets light again. So it is Saturday, May 13th, day before Mother's Day. Oh, do you see that thing just fly by? I don't know. These weird projectiles. That one could have been a bug. I mean, there's all kinds of bugs. Oh God. Now I got this nosy doorman snickering. He went back in, probably heard me talking a lot of shit. Now, how does he know I'm not shooting a YouTube video or talking to some friend worldwide? Stay another 3 minutes at least, and if he comes back, I'm out of here. Yeah, your image is real strong for a small image. I don't know why they're beeping. I'm not taking your fucking parking spot. It looks like a big sunflower in the sky. Green, red, yellow. Possibly blue. There we go. There's another thing that flew by that looked like, I don't know, insect size. So use your imagination on that one too. That's about as far as I can zoom in. There comes a couple. They're in their own world.
Wasn't this Thursday night supposed to be your date night?
Let me open that.
Oh my God.
71st, that
What a
you're
sound.
using the wrong thing that.
I have to keep it a little quieter for the next minute because the doorman is outdoors cleaning the window while pretending to. No. Oh my God. Look at this. Look at this, folks. Look at this. What the hell? That is so freaking bizarre. It's Photoshop. It's InDesign. It's a green screen. It's a hologram. No, it's not. Look at that. I can move the camera this way. Come on with me. Yeah. Look at that. This is the image to the left, high up in the sky, and well, there's another projectile. that, a giant sunflower? Anyway, I think that about wraps it up for tonight. Strange Sights signing out. Bye-bye.